The next question is, in a mixture of 60 liters, the ratio of milk and water is 2:1. If this ratio is to be 1:2, then the quantity of water to be further added is, the options are option A 20 liters, option B 30 liters, option C 40 liters and option D 60 liters. Thus, as per the question, we have a mixture of 60 liters which contains milk and water in the ratio 2:1. This ratio is to be converted into 1:2 by adding some more water, and we have to find the quantity of water to be added. So let's see how to solve this problem. The total quantity of mixture is 60 liters, out of which 2 part is milk and 1 part is water, since the ratio of milk to water is given as 2:1. From this we can find the quantity of milk and water in this mixture. How can we calculate it? The quantity of milk will be 2/3 of 60, which is 40 liters, and the quantity of water in the mixture will be 1/3 of 60, which is 20 liters. Now we have to convert this ratio into 1:2. In this given ratio, mixture, milk is more than water, since the part of milk is 2 and the part of water is 1. Now it is to be converted into the ratio of 1:2. That is, in that part, that mixture, the water part is more than the milk part. So we have to add some more water, keeping milk as it is. So the new ratio required is 1:2. Milk by water is equal to 1/2. We have the quantity of milk available as 40 and the quantity of water available in the mixture as 20, and some more water has to be added, which can be represented as x liters. So the ratio becomes milk by water is equal to 40/20 plus the extra water x, and the ratio should be equal to 1/2. So this is the equation we have derived from the statement given. And now we can solve this equation to get the value of x, which is 60 liters. Thus the quantity of water to be further added to make the ratio as 1:2 is 60 liters, which is option D.